To use CareCredit at Walgreens. Start by ensuring you have a valid CareCredit credit card. CareCredit is a credit card designed specifically for health and wellness expenses, including pharmacy purchases. If you do not have a CareCredit card, you can apply for one on the CareCredit website or by visiting a Walgreens store. Once you have your CareCredit card, you can use it to pay for eligible purchases at Walgreens. Eligible purchases include prescription medications, health and wellness products, and other healthcare-related items. To make a purchase, simply present your CareCredit card to the Walgreens pharmacist or cashier. When using your CareCredit card at Walgreens, you will need to inform the pharmacist or cashier that you would like to pay with CareCredit. They will then ring up your purchase and ask you to swipe your card or enter your card information. You will also need to provide a valid form of identification to verify your identity. CareCredit offers a range of payment options, including short-term and long-term financing plans. You can choose a plan that fits your budget and needs, and make monthly payments to pay off your balance. It is essential to review the terms and conditions of your CareCredit card and payment plan to ensure you understand the interest rates and repayment terms. To get the most out of your CareCredit card, it is recommended that you use it for eligible purchases and make your monthly payments on time. This will help you maintain a good credit score and avoid late fees and interest charges. Additionally, you can use the CareCredit website or mobile app to manage your account, check your balance, and make payments. In summary, using CareCredit at Walgreens is a straightforward process that requires a valid CareCredit card and identification. By following these steps and using your CareCredit card responsibly, you can enjoy the benefits of convenient financing for your health and wellness expenses.